Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use new Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the updated interface. You'll notice the Streamline tool panel on the left, offering quick access to essential functions. To open a file, simply navigate to File then Open, selecting your desired image. Saving is just as straightforward, with options for various formats like JPEG or PNG. Mastering basic navigation, such as zooming in and out, is crucial for efficient editing. We'll cover these foundational steps to get you started smoothly. Next, we'll dive into Photoshop's core editing capabilities. The Object Selection tool, for instance, allows for precise isolation of elements with just a few clicks. Understanding layers is fundamental. You can create new ones, duplicate existing ones, and group them for better organization. We'll also explore basic image adjustments, like fine-tuning brightness and contrast or correcting color balance. These tools are your building blocks for transforming any image, giving you complete creative control over your projects. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques that truly elevate your work. Generative Fill is a powerful new feature, allowing you to add or remove content seamlessly, often with stunningly realistic results. We'll also delve into non-destructive editing using masks and adjustment layers, preserving your original image data. Smart objects are another game changer, enabling scalable transformations without loss of quality. These methods provide flexibility and precision, ensuring your edits are both impactful and easily reversible. Finally, we'll cover how to effectively export and share your finished masterpieces. Photoshop offers a wide array of export options, tailored for different uses, whether it's for web, print, or social media. We'll discuss optimizing your images, perhaps reducing file size by 20% for faster loading times online, while maintaining visual quality. Learning to choose the right format and settings ensures your work looks its best wherever it's displayed. Share your creations with confidence and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.